common law is about, what it constitutes, what you're entitled to, when, if the relationship ever ends, because certainly that is a gray. Common law, pretty prevalent in Jamaica, yes? And common law is what, is 5 years?
Well, yes.
So at
A
5
single
years,
man-
you're legally
That's-
common law
Single
relationship.
man, single woman, so a married man can't live with a woman and claim a common law union,
Right.
and vice versa.
So matey cannot be.
That's right. Matey, where the other side of the arm,
Yeah.
the couple.
Let's look then at the entitlements. The difference between the entitlements when you're married
Yeah.
and you separate to when you're in a common law relationship and you separate. What are the differences?
Well, the idea behind policy, which was translated into law, is to make sure that there isn't a difference.
Oh.
Uncle Seabird. Oh,
Not here.
what about Uncle Sharifa?
What boy?
How's your Uncle Seabird there?
You don't know, so I'm gonna work. Them hours there.
Oh, I am medical look for stills.
Oh. You put something in the fridge.
No, I'm gonna put mine in there.
So,
I just say,
so who fat one that you drink? You know it's a fat one?
Uncle Seabird. You say I can't take whatever I want when I come here. Anytime
You cannot take whatever you want when you come here, big boy.
Alright, my name Do Big Boy. My name Javi. My uncle tell me say, I should come look for him so I can take something for drink when I come here.
Big boy, you know, so you're how much now?
I'm 16.
Yeah, 60 days, you just come in at people place early morning and
What
just
you mean,
open fridge
come-
and just start drink out of
What do you
people's
mean me
fridge.
come a people place? I'm my uncle place.
You don't have no manners, man. That is disrespectful.
What that disrespectful?
You buy juice, put in there.
No, but my uncle buy drinks.
You
put
buy
in.
anything, put in there.
No, you buy nothing put in there? Me just a ask.
Big boy, you know you're too out to order. Big boy. Are you still there charging the blasted juice and I look for me? When make a dry ice, you know 16-year-old I have job and 2 pitney already?
Where
Why you not gonna look work?
When me look word, me at 16. My uncle tell me say me can't come here and drink something. And you really just
no,
make your
man.
drink start showing on my face?
Give me the juice. Please.
No. Give me the drink. Cause my uncle said me can come here whenever I want and get anything for drink.
Oh, the family I'm not real.
Cause you just dash straight drinks in my face.
Go on, Javi, go on, big boy.
I not even do nothing bad.
The family are different.
You better you going in.
But what you up to?
Yeah, man, where Javi there?
I just talk about Javi, you know, saying left, saying going on here. Yeah, to link you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, I see me now. I show me I come and I tap down on one girl there down the road there. So, that's why I probably don't see him. But brother, I tell you, say, today I had my youth. The place just toxic, brother. Toxic. Me don't know what else to do, brother, but Sheriff I come like say, I saw mad girl, brother. Every minute.
Well, to be honest, me think so, but I know you're Sheriff out and left still. But the fact that you're not still there together, still, if you place toxic, you don't have to do something to fix that. Because if it's toxic, you are go unhappy and she are go unhappy.
Imagine, me and her there. And the last time me and her even do not have no sex, brother. After Valentine's Day. I know we in August.
Well,
If me try to do nothing, she have some form of excuse, brother. And, brother, I just need her for
well, that's your answer, you know. That's why I place toxic. Because if you and she not have sex, the place are toxic. So you have to go do something to get rid of her out of your house. But the only thing, if you and she not have sex, the place are toxic. But the thing about the toxic relationship, if you and him fi break up and left, a long time you and she there, she a common law wife. So you know how you law go already. Common law wife, almost a wife. So
what do you mean common law wife?
You must get half of what you have.
Yeah, but see, mad, brother, me now work so hard for nothing what me have, brother, for no man can take it from me, but no, common law. Common law what? Before so me get me shot with my shit, brother. Oh.
Well, ignorance in the law, nah go work, my brother. Me only make you know.
Brother, a construction me I do for over 15 years. And what me accomplish out of construction, me now make no woman can take that from me. How?
Well, the law is the law. So here we do. So when you grow on, just ensure you tell Javis to forward background, because I don't want him on the road too late. You hear that?
Yeah man, but you're not so long you're not give one little brother or something, sister, something in that place making you something.
No, so I'm too old for that, you know. One good enough for me. In him we can't take care of me. That good enough.
Brother, me I'm 53 and I see me get one young pitney the other day, 2-year-old.
Good for you. You still at Chap Bush.
But anyways, if I see him, me tell him. But look come on.
Alright, later.
Yeah. I can't frighten Mr. Boss. Can't frighten Mr. Man. Man,
Uncle Seabird.
Sure, me I see that taxi driver boy almost bunks me. Around the yard me I come from and your papa tell me say up a yard. You're going up a yard, but...
Yeah, I'll get somebody there, man.
Up there I come from?
Yeah, but this is Auntie-Sheriff.
See Auntie-Sheriff around there?
Yeah, but you know what I say? One little thing up out the door.
What happened?
You know something I feel like Auntie-Sheriff like me door? Me go in the fridge. Cause you know say you always tell me say when me come my house, me can't just take out anything more.
Yes, because it's my place.
Yeah, everything you do, you buy everything in the fridge. Me take out one little juice and she a go on the most sweet. Say, if me put nothing in the fridge, I'll make it juice all that shit in my face. She a-
Allah ya tell, listen. As me go up, me I go deal with that. Cause you're my favorite nephew and there's no way you're supposed to go up on my yard and go take out little something out
Exactly.
of my fridge. And
Exactly.
for me, she can tell you that.
Yeah, cause I just want a little juice, you know.
Yeah, well, go and go. Go and go drink some. Buy me water.
This year, you know, uncle.
Yeah, buy me water.
Cause you're my favorite uncle, you know.
I am my favorite nephew. Me I go up on my yard right.
This year.
This is one that I can't deal with them and cross his head on my place. I need to talk to you. I just see Javier pass me out the road a while ago. And me see me tears in his eye. He tell me, say, he come up here, he just come get some juice and he wait how you answer him. He say, wait how you deal with him.
How me answer him? How me deal with him?
I wasn't here, no. But I'm a little nephew. I'm a no saying
Alright,
that.
I your little nephew and I am your woman and me cannot talk to him. Him go in the fridge. Every time him come here, him head straight to the fridge. And him don't ask for nothing in there. If me have something in there put down for somebody, him just have him way. I'm enough to talk to him as your little nephew.
Sure.
That is what you're saying.
Sherifa.
No, I'm tired of this though.
No.
Because the simplest thing me doing here is it cause a problem. Right?
Sherifa. First thing, if Javi come over here and take little juice, you're not supposed to have no problem with it. Because one, when you work here money, you're not like say you buy nothing put in here or nothing like that. You know, and like say you buy put in there. I feel me little money, buy a little something and I'm a little nephew. So if he come here and take little something, nothing supposed to wrong with it.
You see, that is why I don't like having conversations. I don't like arguing with you, because it's the first thing you're ready for say anytime me out meet. I don't buy anything put in here. Okay, so that means say, as the woman of the house, I must not watch how the things them come in and go out, right? I must not be able to talk to your family them. It's you always give your family them strength over me. Why? Eh?
Me give my family strength over you.
That's what I said.
First thing first. Me not happy for her, you know. Let me tell her that, you know. Cause last time me even do nothing, no intimacy. It was on Valentine's Day. I know in August. So what you try to say?
Then you really stand up and start complaining about intimacy and do nothing. Eh? When every time you come for me at the same time you come off. Eh?
You know what? Sherifa, let me tell you this. I'm a big man.
Look, you know about my soul, man. Nobody my soul, man.
Me about your soul, let me tell you this.
You are talk about you not happy. If you check the levels, I'm if you say me not happy. Eh? How much time you go to road for me? I'm sit down in here and take all of that. Me take everything from you. All of your bullshit. So something wrong if me play the woman of the house one time people come in here and disrespect it? Me not for talk out of my mouth?
So on it. I say you feel like say you want to come talk to me now. Me understand say me get one picnic out of a relationship. Me understand say me get one picnic out, but that no mean nothing.
And if you never stand up on your firm and you say give me 10 more solid in this seabird. So what you mean by?
Sheriff, I'm gonna tell you this. Zane, I'm gonna listen to me good. About 4 years now, made. See?
5.5.
Well, it not to make no sense about I put the 1.5 year upon it because it don't make no sense.
No, it makes sense.
Listen to me.
Believe me, it makes sense.
5.5 years made.
And what?
what we accomplish out of 5.5 years?
What do you mean what we accomplish? What you accomplish? You give me a heartbreak, you broke and break me heart, take care of me go, you carry me come. What do you mean what you accomplish?
Sherifa, me work hard for this place here. You hear me I tell you? Me work hard for everything what me have in here, so.
And me work hard to keep you happy. You still tell me say me not happy. Me not make you happy. I'm cold and me this and me that. Eh? Look at that.
Me just think so we need to just break it off. Right, yeah, so. Just break it off, just call it a day. You just move, go back up to your people and just call it a day. Because you see, if me not happy, the place not gonna happy, me I tell you. If me not happy, the place not gonna happy, me I tell you. I'm tired. Me tired for every time I come in here. Me can't even touch you. Me can't even rub you down or nothing like that. If me touch you, you start sound like a hooligan, like a World War III. When I come in from work, I'm supposed to can't come and lay down side of my woman and my woman greet me and hug me up and then sitting there. You laugh.
5.5 years. And you go look at me today and tell me, say, you want we left. You want we broke up. You feel like so broke up, girl? If me and you broke up today, Seabird, today, the bed has to broke in half. The fridge has to broke in half. The house, the car, everything. What you have has to broke in half because
You have sense?
5.5 years that make me your common law wife and me don't chat to you. So if you want left, me not have a problem. You can go on. Because you don't really add nothing to my life. But if you are left, just left me with my half. That's all me I say. Don't talk.
Mr. Say you don't have much sense, you know. Mr. Say you don't have much sense. And you come like a mad, you want me get mad in this. A mad, you want me get mad. Eh? You want me lose my temper in here?
Then you not lose it. Just like we're going to lose half of everything.
You know what? I'm go have a drink and come back, you know. Because Mr. say this not go end well. Here, this not go pretty. Because if I don't want to, me just, yo, God no, me kick you down, you know, girl.
Kick that home.
Now you.
You must feel like I say, the black belt that me have, I only for put her on waist. You would have to promise me that, Seabird. Me not ask you.
Oh, come out of this place, I am saying I'm mad, girl.
You look like a madman. The only thing I feel if you start name out a rubbish pan. Out of order. 5.5 years now me account. Eh? Come on, fix quick.
You know, if you lick me so hot still, you know. You know, if you lick me so hot. So what is what?
Since as you want left and you want broke up, this signifies my half and that is your half.
You come like you're sick in your head. Take up a rope. You know, me can't deal with this. Oi. No bother with it, man. No bother with it.
Listen to me, man.
No.
Don't touch me. Lock off the lights when you're ready for go your bed.
So.
If you think you're bad, touch me.
Come like say because I'm from a place, you know. You know that though.
Sir, lock off the light and not touch me, no man.
God, look on the time and nobody no come to me yet. Want to look money, you know, I want the money because the kids, them school fee have to pay and I not see nobody yet. No, sir.
Madam,
Spin a roll. Come now. I see a problem them, you know. Them heavy.
Morning, Mother Gizada. I have a serious problem where I want you to. I don't know if you can help me with it. But it's so serious, I just want it urgent when I want. Look. I live with this woman for about 4.5 years. She say a 5.5, but a 4.5. You see? And me and this woman there for how long? She don't know how nothing come about in my place, you know. She don't know nothing about my success or how me achieve nothing at all.
And
But
she nagging.
she nag me she nag me go, she nag me come. You see? She don't know nothing, how nothing buy.
And she love your things them.
She use it like a theme.
That black woman there.
Oh, you know, so she black Mother Gizada.
Black and thick and ugly.
Mother Gizada, it come like a right place me come, Mother Gizada. But as me I say, she same one. Me? Mother Gizada, you frighten me. I tell you, you frighten me. As me I say, I want to get her out of my place. Hold on there. See, as she call me. Hello, where you call my phone for?
What you mean when I call you for? Why you would have left the empty bottle? I mean, I try sight. Why you would have left the empty bottle in the fridge? You drink out all of the water and put by the empty bottle. Me say me head.
What you mean? It's my fridge. If me feel like someone left empty bottle in my fridge, or put garbage in my fridge, I feel my fridge. I'm a place you have to come out. Come out of my place.
No man. Look like me I work with you. So you see because me I work with you, no worry yourself. I better say come get a surprise. I bet you.
You see, you see, me up on the road. Me up on the road and I call my phone like me there. You not tap give me loving for how much months now? Eh? I'm a place of you left. Come on from a blasted phone.
Alright. Can imagine my day I work all day and the place so hot. Eh? And not even one drip of water this man left in the fridge. Since that me I try for spite. Cause you don't know, so you never hear about me at Seabird. You don't know about the petty queen.
So me I tell about Mother Gizada, just get her out of my place for me. I don't know what you can do. Get her out.
You see, the same reason why she not left already? Because she tie you. You didn't know that?
What do you mean tie me, Mother Gizada?
She tie you up in a one little place where you can't live. You want left and can't live. She have you one way, that's how you can't live good.
Yes.
She give you something where you love to eat because you love your belly too much. So she tie you.
You know some Mother Gizada, I chew your talk. Because me don't know what is what. This that woman and give me no loving, you know. But she's still in my place all long. So I don't know what purpose she really serve. It's like every time I work on money, Mother Gizada, me have to give her it. And then what she do with it? She go buy a wig. And the wig they never fit good on the head, you know, Mother Gizada. The wig then never fit good pan your head yet. But as me I say, I know that me come about, mother guitar. Just get her out of my place, man. Cause me just want a fresh starter now in my place. Me need to feel comfortable in my house.
Alright, stop there, so. A coconut up on the veranda with one cutlass, go for carry come. Can you need cleansing from all of those things where you go eat?
I'm gonna cook my knife.
Barky. You see these quick stick above your head? Me go pick some gear when I go home, you boil and you drink it. Cause you go belch with this now. But you have 3 more belch to belch, not here, so when I go home.
So if we just drink this.
Yeah. Drink every bit of it. But she want to tie up. Good man like you, she want to tie up. Yeah. Yeah. Drink more. Drink it.
Well, mother, I feel like
It's at the right time.
I feel like a relief I come up on me.
Open your hand. So now I give you 21 of them. You can boil them and drink them 3 mornings straight.
Just boil it and just drink it same time?
Yeah.
All right, mother. All right. So you say, and she'll come out of my place?
She have to. You not trust me.
I believe in her, man. Because if you tell me she black and I never tell her she black, I believe you. Me can't see you know what you do. You see? So, one people just boil this.
Just boil it. One more thing.
You don't look, mother.
Look! You see this? It's a battle. No make you broke, you know. This have to permanently get rid of her.
So you said this good?
It have to good, you know. Place it underneath your bed or close to your bed. No make you see it. Don't make you see it and don't make it broke. If you broke, hey, it'll broke loose. Walk and broke, no make it broke, but it'll go walk.
All right. Thank you. You see, Mother Gizada?
Come back, sir, before you leave. Light 3 candle, you know, put it underneath the bed.
Mm-hmm.
But no burn down the house. No burn it down.
All right. No bother burn it down?
No burn it down.
All right.
What about the pay, sir?
How much you forget, Mother?
40,000.
40,000? All right. You see, at first I come at them place, yeah. As somebody tell me, it's a little birdie pinch me and tell me, say, you tell me about you. So I did now a little $5,000 and me have a little fear night save here.
5 grand.
Yeah, only 5,000. I know if you can give me 1,000, I can just pay me fare for go back.
You serious?
Yeah, me just pay me fare for go back up on my yard.
You're gonna walk today. But make sure I say after everything done, you come back with me 35,000.
All right. Yeah, man, of course, Mother.
If you not come back, you know, you not go work, you know.
If me even grown there right now and she move out, me carry come back on you. Me have in
If you not come back,
in my account.
you have me to deal with, you know.
Mother, believe me, I'm a man of my word.
So you want me 35,000. Remember that.
All right. I'm a man of my word.
Now make you broke and light the candle them.
Yeah. I'm a man of my word. All right, thank you, see?
Thank you more.
Sorry.
Shit. Oh. Go feed my pan come wipe up that thing okay, and I made it, you know.
So, you really put salt in the water?
You see me take anything and put anything anywhere? You really left the buckle in the empty buckle in the fridge?
Yeah, man. Everything there. Put that piece of that.
Good afternoon, sir. I tell you, don't call me that when I answer the phone to me, you know. Because I don't know who is around here and who is it. I notice they don't change my caller ID. Yeah, look how mystery is nice sometimes. What do you mean? Whatever. I have a problem up here, you know. I don't know if you can come and help me out. Not that kind of problem. When you come and see, because I can't bother with this man, you know. Alright, I'll wait in. Okay.
Hello, good day. How go on? So your husband, or your man, whatever.
I'm not seeing as just roommates.
Okay. So can talk to them things. Funny.
Chris, the real problem I have still come here.
Something wrong with the fridge.
Something wrong with the fridge. The man locked up the chain out the fridge. Saying I'm supposed to use the fridge. Tell me.
Yeah, so what kind of man this I have? When you lock up a fridge fire, you know love you.
You could have said it's not my man. I pity him petting my mother other than something else. Somebody attention more. But I just want everything in the fridge so we can live with them.
So you want me cut off it then or what?
Baby, just get it down for
This a man I don't know what kind of man this I have. This a me have to really cut off because this a man I don't love the known talk. And you say you have money. What kind of man this I have? Anyway, this a
Me
man
never tell
what
us I'm
kind of
no
this
man.
I do?
Me never tell us I'm no man. What kind of woman that you have with your head look so?
No, don't worry about this. This is just a poor plot.
Time hot son.
Yeah, man, the time hot with you. Say I sweat, I mean I sweat too. So, wherever that we can go, you know.
When you're done.
Hold on more better.
When you're done that, just make sure somebody can get into that fridge there. And we talk about river.
Make certain say I can't get to that once. Bring it outside and can cut it off.
Alright. I run him, so.
All right.
Sheriff, what kind of style are they? Eh? Me just step out of the house a while ago and I come here a while ago and see her cook some food. And I come back and no food not left for me.
Look, you buy food, put down.
What do you mean if you buy?
Did you buy food, put down?
So
No, you're not buying no food. Whatever you left in the fridge for how much months ago. That done a long time. And you never gonna make me dead for hungry in here. So I'm gonna take my money and go buy my food for eat my dinner. What a problem?
What do you mean? So I'm 20 times me did I buy things put in here. Eh? And you are eat out of it. Me there something about it?
When you there buy things in here, me I eat out tight them that time they were there. Now we left. Now left you want. But cook your own food, sir.
See,
Go on, man, I love
this is what me a talk about. This is what me a talk about.
My
me need space. Me need space. Me need to listen to me.
What is that money, man? Hey, go on.
Me don't think me need to eat at my place.
Everybody murder, you know. Go on, you waste the man. Go on, Seabird. More live in peace. See you off of the side there. Eh? I'm not supposed to cook and remember you using that, my man.
Sherifa, please, me no want to go to jail. Hear me tell you? Me no want to go to jail. So you say before me got...
You make up your mind. What is wrong? What is the problem? And you come to me with this argument thing. Every day is our next argument that you say we left, you say you know, happy. So what is the problem? What is your problem?
I need my place. I need my space. Cause
so if you need space, what that have to do with me? My part half year off and you lock up, see there, you lock up the fridge. A man me have a call for come cut the lock to go in the fridge today. You come tell me, you want food? And what me to do? I want me to stop the for you? Eh? Wicked man.
You know, this is the last time I go talk to you.
Talk to me? You're trying to wake me up to my sleep again, sir. Come and now what kind of life this you live? You feel me careless? You come and tell me about life. I know you come wake me out of bed and tell me about food. But look, you want food and go on from right to someone allow me alone. What is?
Make sure you say belly for everything. Good to hear that.
Everything off a good.
Other day when you come here, and Javi gone around here, you know, so when Javi come, Javi has show me say, when he come around and take out one little drinks out of your fridge, and the way how your woman are gone. You see, that is why I tell us a long time, so I not too like that woman there for left him long time, you know, brother. Brother, little drinks. Javi did tell me that before, when we left us and I go. But, brother, it come like say a problem, brother. You know what your woman do? Other day, I say some bombs, and drink little water, and left it empty back in the fridge, because me did a hurry. I just put it back in the fridge. I say, I back, what am I going to do? Fly ticket. I left it in the fridge, so when I'm ready for it, I just pull it back, put it in there. You see me? So I left it back in the fridge. The man come call me a cuss. And then pull up the buckle of salt and put it back in the fridge. What can I say? Buckle and pies, she pies you still, but you're wrong to drink and put it back in the fridge. I don't think style that. But she also wrong to put salt in her water. She could have pies, you know. Brother, I just need her to left my place, brother. Kinda like say, me and her even want to get So what kind of step you make to get her out of your house?
Brother, me try everything where I could. Me chat to her verbally. I'll try all somebody I'll tell me about this mother woman, Mother Gizada.
Mother Gizada?
Mother Gizada.
Brother, Mother Gizada don't know nothing about what I do. A joke thing she depend. If you like a mumbo jumbo and sit me she a go on with and your money she want. So just hear me I tell her say, the best thing you do, I probably try somebody else where know what them I do and get rid of that woman out of your life. Because she don't know good.
Brother, I actually even know my youth. Right now I tell you say me stress out my youth. Cause me in a place, brother, I'm not happy none at all, dog. Me try everything, me not
Yo, just try to make that woman not stress you. Just try to make she not stress you. So what were you just about go?
No, say I want a little girl me have run the road. I want to link. She call me from Wednesday, she want a little start out. What's up, brother? Me not.
Why you still around on your flesh? How when you're old man?
Brother, you know, 53 years me depend on God, and 53 years me love me around young woman. For a woman me love. Me not the type of man there. Me not them man there. You see me want to make it world be fruitful and multiply. You see me want to see me little offspring then too. Yeah. Treat me gone already in my little old age. Yo, but hold on. You know none of the Dr. Jack pill them.
Me have couple pill in the house still me not really use them cause true. Me don't really have no woman right now, but me could carry 2 con give you.
Just give me 2 of them now, man, because I don't know a little kettle figure.
Alright, turn up right just hold this and me soon come back.
Alright, pa. Well, you feel have a woman in our yard, you see me? I get some picnics if you can see Javi there. Him so left here, you know. Come on, get big enough, him so left.
Alright, so here we go on. See them here? I peel them in, but me now give you a whole thing, only I give you 2. So you can take 1 right now, and by the time you reach a woman yard, you're ready to go.
So just take 1?
Yeah, and then you can save 1 for 1 next time. Alright, so hang your business, man. Go and hang your business. Finish sweep up me yard.
Alright, what's it? By the time we reach you, be ready.
Yeah, man, ready, man.
Alright. The girl want man choke him, you know. Shelly,
Who is it?
Seabird, man, come here.
Who is that at the door?
Seabird.
Seabird, what you doing in my yard?
I'm ready for you, Shelly, I'm ready.
Ready for?
Shelly, you tell me, we see you yesterday, you tell me something, call link you.
Seabird, do I look like you're a call girl to you? I know we used to fool around, you know. But I know every time you see the need you to come make my man day and day, if you ever wait. Seabird, go in the yard. And why you judge up yourself, so?
Shelly, me pick one, Dr. Jack. I'm ready, Shelly, I'm ready for you, Shelly.
Seabird, don't come close, you better fold that thing up, fold it up and go in the yard.
Shelly, you're gonna do me.
Where you woman, you know, woman? Seabird, why you live with a woman around, so? That black girl.
Shelly, that the woman that's only left out of my place, Shelly.
I don't care. Seabird, I said fold that thing up because it's a print out in you. Fold it up and go in your yard. You hear that?
Shelly,
when you will come up, my man there. You hear me, some man there. What is wrong with you?
Please, Shelly, I beg you, please.
Seabird, listen to me. Blue bars going kill you. Take yourself and go in your yard.
Shelly, don't do me like this, man.
I don't know why I'm stand up so long and talk to you. Seabird, go left from the porch.
Yes, Jah. Yes, Jah. Yo, how are you going, sir?
What you go on?
How are you doing, man?
What time is it to come home?
No, no, yo! What kind of, where you now? How are you going in? What kind of style is? Eh?
What kind of style we are talking about?
Oh, you
What kind
fear,
of style
man. I say you want to come disrespect me.
Disrespect who? How may I
Eh?
disrespect you?
So you mean, what kind of fear man in my place?
Which part me bring man in your place? First of all, man, you made that catch me now. Man, you made that catch me now. Because I don't understand, you know, the level of brightness so you the pan right now, you know, you come run with them. You know, see the plumber. You know, see the worker man. When you hire to fix the pipe from when? Eh? The pipe where you can't fix. And you come and rush the man with machete and rush the man. What you doing now?
Sheriff, I'm not tell you, me not tell you, me not tell you.
Tell that to my face and
Me not tell you, if you don't make no man come in my place.
Man, you point out that in my face and make you joke me and my ear, because you're not going to like it, you know. Remember me, I tell you, you know. Seabird, ease yourself, you know, come in there, you know. I'm going to know how you get that to that level of brightness here, you know. Oh, come, remember, say, me, you're not there. Me, you're not there.
So me in there, so what you doing here? Come out of my place,
Then
man.
I'm my half, I'm bringing you my half, I'm bringing them in. Excuse you, man. Come on, what kind of, what is?
You better make sure you come out here, because I make sure I go to station and go make a report about this, you know. Because I know I went to chop off a piece of your police come feel like you want to lock me up. Or what? Because I know how you feel like you want to come kill man in my place. So get a man in here. How you come out too? Or what? That me I tell you.
Mommy. What going? You alright? You look nice to my mother.
Yeah, you alright?
Of course, me alright. Why would I ask if me alright?
Lord have mercy, me there. I wake up a place and say, me I come in your yard, come look for you now.
Come look for me?
Yes.
Like how long you not come look for me?
How you look so?
What do you mean how I look so, mommy?
Yeah, my daughter, you know.
Me say me alright. You always do them something.
Hold on, I walk, you walk, come.
No, me did I bust my take.
You take bus on me there, I wake up a place and I sweat. Look, you laugh. Me say me there, I come look for you. Cause when time anything wrong, you know say your mother know, don't you?
Lord God, mommy, I tell you nothing is not wrong.
You sure?
For sure.
So me I turn your head a bush for?
Mommy, nothing is not wrong.
What for your man name again?
Here you know. Seabird.
See what?
Seabird, mommy.
Your name alright?
Yes, mommy.
See what you saying name?
Mommy, what your problem? Seabird is my name.
You know, so my spirit not take him though. My spirit don't take him. Spirit not take him.
The spirit never take a soul. From me I got high school till now.
Him. For me, spirit not take him none at all. But he named Seabird. Girl, look round here, so. They say me can't wait for the day you left him. When I like him,
Mister, what you have against the man now, mommy?
me don't like him. Here what name Seabird.
And what?
All sort of destruction people gonna see. Go wash off, you know.
Mommy, you know, I don't like them when I do them things, you know, man.
But you know how for your mother stay. You know, so me, when it come on to certain things, girl, put on your rake, yeah. Don't want it part of me, I will touch it go. All type of things people go on, you know. And all type of things see bird too. But he name Seabird.
But him man not control over him name, mommy.
Well, if nobody did name me Seabird, no that change my name. Me don't like him. Don't laugh.
Mommy, him man name Seabird and he done gone bad already and I don't take him already. I done your son-in-law.
Me not accept that.
Yeah, I can't have to accept it, me accept it.
So you're sure so everything alright with you and him?
Yes, mommy, me alright. We just take all vacation and everything good. everything alright. We are planning to have a baby and you know.
A baby who?
A baby. A little baby.
Well, me no want nothing where you call Seabird Papa call me grandmama. Right there, so me I tell you, right there, so. Nothing where you call Seabird Papa, me no want to call me grandmama.
So why you vendetta against the man? What all of this?
My spirit don't take him. Me say my spirit don't.
Yeah, but mommy, I saw your spirit never take nobody. I don't think your spirit even take my father.
Yes, my spirit did take him until he hurt me.
Oh.
Mm-hmm. Up to the dog a cough. Up to the dog a cough. Hear that?
So I see Bert.
There's something that a sign.
So I see Bert make your dog a cough.
Let me get up. Hear how the dog a go on. A quiet, hear that? I want the dog a send out warning sound. The dog a one. I find you pick me by the dog then. And the dog grow with you. I your pet that. And as me talk about the man Seabird, hear how the dog a go along. Hear that? See that Jesus have mercy, God.
Mommy, I want a problem. You know you're extra though.
Lord, no tell me some dream I go come true. This a flowers I just drop so. My mother always tell me say, give me. When them flowers here drop a sign, anything you dream about come true. We get a vision for you last night, you know.
What kind of vision?
Let me look at it and say bush of ears. Let me see if nobody will hear me. All like animals they start make noise. Hear that? Jesus. Hear that? All the goat come. Hear that? Everything a ball for you. I go on with you now and tell me about. Talk to me now. You're my firstborn, you know. We don't want nothing to happen to you. Come get a vision last night.
What kind of vision is
I
it?
like animal them come with their sound and I make pure sound. A sign and this a rose a drop, Lord.
I know me not believe in them vision something there. What kind of
So
vision?
you want to call them mother liar?
Me not call it liar, mommy. Me believe
Me
say your
ever
dreams.
vision nothing yet and you know go on in a workout. Talk truth. If you
Sometimes I just coincidence make them something there. But where you see? Where you see, mommy?
me see any man a live bad. And me run out of house and me vision see your grandmother come to me, you know. Pan one balling. And I say, why you must have yourself in that situation there? And now me I talk to you. You always pick up for that man there, you know. You sure say your animal live good? Look here. Me your mother. And me your best friend. You want to see me ball?
Me not.
You see anything you ma do and you hide it from me. You see when me go down a Nice City. You see when me go down a Nice City. Mine, you know. Me I warn you. Tell me truth. Cause me know say when time I dream I same way so I go. And see all of the animals then come make me even know confirmation. The animal
Me, the man
me
just...
understand animal language, you know. Talk to me. And tell me truth. Then me tell you where me dream say.
Him just no want me in him house no more. Him say him want me not happy. So I for go on my ways and him go on film. But mommy, me and him there so long. I cannot just walk away from this. I'm not gonna do it.
And then you tell me see and him not have nothing. That you call not have nothing.
I not feel like burdening you with them something there.
So you never know, say. Look here. You don't ever know, say, your problem. Friend, you have problem becomes my burden. I tell us I don't like him. Me not like him. Spirit not take him. The spirit don't take that man there. Spirit not take him.
But all him...
So tell me where on him have.
Mommy, I never opened up until this before, but that man have a baby mother and a baby. We are 2-year-old. So 2.5 years in a relationship in breed somebody. I still don't gonna take it. Him go on with him ways go, him go on with him ways come. A whole heap of time tell me for go on. And no me nah have no way figure.
Tappy,
Mommy, you look at one room can't hold the two of it.
Tappy, me come out from bed and go down on the floor. But you don't have
And
no.
that me don't
You want to
want.
take disadvantage. And you make people take disadvantage with you. Hey, I know some grow you. But now I know me look at one room. Nah, this, I look at one room. Nah, that. Since when for me look at one room can't hold you? Eh? Since when?
I stay in that relationship here too long for just walk out with nothing, you know. I don't know how you do it with Papa, you know. But me cannot do it. Me work too hard for build this man, yeah.
I know people build house and build all sort of foundation. And me send you go to school. If you go build your own foundation, you tell me about you a build man. You alright, you know. You alright. I'm sure no say from your born, me never travel go to the country named China. Me never travel go down there so yet. And you're content about now. You a build man. You want to hear me vision say? You ready to hear the vision?
Mm-hmm.
Me say, got me bed last night. And me say me dream see your man. What your name? Seabird. Me say me dream see you want get you out of the house. And you little girl stubborn and say you nah come out. I shouldn't make you tell me nothing first and I should tell you that I shouldn't. But you see you, me don't know all of a sudden he teach you everything, he teach you how to tell lie. You, a lie to me. But anyway, me say me dream see him.
I do.
I have candle a burn. Me see him. I burn up some wall for sitting. And me see him with one little buckle in a me vision. One little buckle. I don't know when I buckle, you know. But one thing me I tell you, be careful. Do not name nothing from him. And you see any overnight food you have, make him one yummy. Don't eat it. I don't trust him. You hear me? I tell you, little girl. You don't see you have no candle there?
No, I'm not seeing a candle or no like that way I describe. Mommy, to be honest, you know, I'm all of this supernatural thing, it just, I know me, I know this from a longer time.
My mother used to tell me, say, young bird, no storm. But anyway, and one thing me I tell her, start use up your sense them. You know, if you use your eye them alone, use your sense them, how much sense God give you.
What do you mean?
What you mean what me mean? No, ask me one straightforward question.
Yeah, but me don't know if you mean it literal or in a, you know.
Me ask you one straightforward question, little girl. How many senses God give you?
5.
How much of them you always use?
All of them.
You sure about that? You're not sure about that? You see how you look for me? Use up the one you mostly. If you use up the one that's smelling. So you see, anything where you smell funny around the place, check you out. Use your eye them. Let me see if you do. You see, when you go on, you see, same like you hear a dog go on. Or something your dog know about, you know. So you go sniff and smell any funny thing and search down a place. You can't tell, but you never see him with no candle. That the sense that alone, you come like say, a whole lot uno. You want for your friend them me always see you come here with. A whole lot only know if you see, but no smell. And you hardly use your hearing, because anytime I chat to you, you're going like you no hear. You pretend like you no hear, little girl. Well, as you can't blame me and say me never do nothing for you. Me make sure say you go to college, me ensure that. And you don't owe one student loan. All of my saving, me ensure. Me send you go to college. And me never send you go to college for you come out if you can't tell me about now you a bill man. Yeah, alright, me have something that put on for you. Me I go for it, bring come give you. So you figure out yourself and figure out your life, yeah? Figure out your life. You figure out yourself and your life.
You want to know if you no plan for come out here. Verse. Let's play games. Let's play games. Games I want. For yourself. Them a sit me a chat about, you know. Them a sit me a chat about. Eh? Somebody can read and jazz and just dash in their bed, so it's a good thing no rat no in here. There's a whole of this a jazz crutches out and your mouth. I feel left my place. Cause them a nastiness and me no put up in my house. Oh. Me no know houseman for read and jazz and dash here and their bed. Eh? See if you now come out here. I want to see if you now come out here. Mother Gizzard say, call your name 3 times. Sheriff, I left my place. Sheriff, I left my place. Sheriff, I left my place. Oh. Because them are not saying something me can't put up with in my house. Oh.
sitting here crying, yo. One hour, good enough. You need one new phone. Me? What happened to you? Let's see if I know. I found some candle on that bed. My side of the bed alone. And in light. And one scent just, I don't know if I would there, one scent just in our house. It's an unusual scent.
So my dream come true. So when me vision and tell you I say go for true. You find candle on their bed. So you start use your sense them.
Well, I say something just weird in our house. And I say, it's like something. Yes, I was smell so in a stink, but it just have a unusual scent. I when I pipe out the house, it still smells.
So you want to tell me say you dead one up your man. And you don't know. When you like use the word there, no come in. Current at night or day you find the candle.
Just a while ago I find them.
In a broad day you current no gone. And a day. And you find candle. When me tell us me spirit not take that them under when name see bird.
I wonder what could I mean, like what am I trying to do? Can nothing not do me?
Yeah, chat about no do you sitting there. Sitting there. Because say, I know so me grow you. So me know say sitting there. Me know you know. But you say if I feel him look foolish this way, you claim to say, he might have the way you call Obia. Because I want Obia man in be. You understand? For him going in where my go on, it cannot catch you. Because me pray morning, noon and night. And me know say, God answer prayer. You hear me, sir? So you say, all the way my go along with it, and all the way my go on with it. Let me tell you, you just put on one, yes, when you go on, where you do with the candle?
If at the same time I see my phone, come here, call him and I'll get your phone.
Good morning. I know if Bishop Boom will start work at morning.
In my way from the thing to start working.
Oh, so are you there before me?
Yeah, I'm there before you.
Oh. So what's a nice girl like you come about?
You know, say, I want bar me working on. I want woman. It's like she want to take over the big bar and everything from me. And she not even know how, not even a black lay upon the bar. She don't know nothing at all about the bar. But she want to take over from me. I don't know why. But I just let her go and wait till I see what we want.
Well, I want woman made it up there one long time, man, already there. Well, it's like say, and I like say, man, I even don't pick me, but she move like say she want half of me things. Because we did the one long time, she come, she try to tell me, say, she want half of everything. So I make up about because, listen, me now work so hard and then, and like say, we have no picnic together or nothing like that.
You know, she wicked now. She damn wicked. Come now, oh, she want to quit. Our friend, she don't know nothing about that. You understand?
Exactly. So it's where you come from, though.
St. Elizabeth, I come from. Where you come from?
Well, alright, down little London, me originally come from. But we move come for Petersfield, come live. So, as so far you know, so this man there up here?
One of my friends tell me about him, so I just come up here so come away from him.
I mean, but I love to see again, you know. We never get a name, though. What's your name?
Name Moisha, so you can call me Momo.
Momo? I love to get to know, you know, because right now, me want one new woman in my place. You see? Me I look for one new woman. So if I know, you don't know boyfriend?
No, I'm not a boyfriend, you know.
Oh, because we can't link up. And so, you know, get to know each other. So, so See Bishop Bungo come there.
When you can come now.
Alright, come, Bishop Bungo there. I wonder if you know what I'm doing. Morning, Bishop Bungo.
Morning. You wanna come together?
Oh no, sir, she come first, man. She did that, I come see her.
Okay. Come in my office. I'm good on first. How's part
One bar, I'm working now.
Yeah, come accept somebody want to take over it, man. If demons will come over here, Lord, if demons come over here, Lord, with here, Lord, cast them out of here, Lord. Lord, please take away her sins and everything, Lord. The person who's trying to take over her body, Lord. Oh, sorry, move the demons from her, Lord, and guide her and protect her. Hear me.
Mighty God. Girl, yes, when you go back, put on one gloves. Don't touch them again, you know. Don't touch them. I won't have them in a.
You just stay under the bed. You know what could be a sin.
Me say you sleep I never sin. And me no want you to put your hand in an ass and it's and do nothing that is bad. I tell you if you make it catch your house on fire. You just drop a sheet pan and make it burn down your house. But you say because you decide say you want half, and him get half and now go advise other way there. Cause him wicked. You see when you go back, me go tell you what to do. Don't make your breath catch it, don't blow it so. Don't blow it. Don't blow it out. You hear me say? What me say enough to do?
Nah, blow it.
Let me consider in my head and see what me fit tell you to do. You have no pot when cooking. Any pot when cooking, I don't use in pot. Yes, when you go back, take one of them pot them and turn down over a candle and out it. You hear me say? And just if I it with, take your fork and take up a candle, put in a pot. Put them in a suitcase. What me say for do with it? You're not hearing now. Me tell you to put in a suitcase. If you don't mind, the next time me ask you what you do with your 10 boy, you dash away. Because you know, you. Because all me attack, some part of your heart still sorry for Seabird. You little girl. You. Turn about me. And next time when I see you, I'm going to ask you, say, what you do with the candle? You go tell me about now. Me dash away. You little girl. Mark my word, you know. Me say, put them in them belongings for him it. So you see them they belong in the way I go on it. Half enough for you. I feel him one in all of that there. All of them the destruction belong in the way I go on it. And most some from a destruction the way I go on it. I feel him hit.
Alright. I'm going to do exactly that.
Yes,
Come go around back now.
My phone now work wonderful. So if you call my phone and you not get me. But I feel like
phone.
you can't buy my one phone. Look on the phone. Now work good.
I have one phone I never use again, you know. But the screen did crack up, so I have to buy one screen.
I see bird by you.
I don't remember, mommy.
Me no want it. Me no want it. Anything. If I him buy it, me no want it. Me don't want it.
I never him buy it. I remember now, my friend did buy it from college.
You take too long for answer, me don't want it. Me we save my little money and buy myself my own phone. You see that man never name Seabird. If I see you get out of him, I better it is for you know. Me I tell you, you know. I want you know. If I say you get out of him, I better it is for you. You keep on a talk about your bill, man. Your bill, you. Oh, yeah.
Go back around now. Do what you tell me to do. So, you alright though? You cool out?
You see me look like me alright here. You know, see me look like me alright here. You know alright. And me I gonna tell you this. Now because I may give birth to you, you feel like me I gonna allow you to stress me out. Me nah make you stress me out, you know. Me I live life. Look for me. Me and live life.
Alright, later.
Then they make man stress you out. Come over here about man have me other day me contract, me say me can't take him.
Me have to cut down the sit near man, see me edge cut the whole of me eye. Later.
If your man see Bert did a good man, me that tell him to come chop it down for me, but I don't have nothing to do with that the man there. That the man there are real old crosses. A double crosses that the man there. Hey, oh, hey, give me strength, oh Lord, hey, oh. Girl, little girl, stop and listen to what me I say to you. You see, when you grown, you try not no argument with the man there, you know. Try your best not in a no argument with the man there. Because you see, if he ever put his hand on you, in two head them belongs to me. You hear me I tell you? Me I warn you, make sure when him attack, keep by your mouth, because I know you from your mouth, I know your mouth not good enough. Anyhow, he said nothing to you do answer him, because if he put his hand on you, me say, in two head them belongs to me.
Alright, mommy.
Yes, in two head.
Momo, me call you here.
Where you go? So what there, you know me?
Sorry, boss. I throw this at my town, I have urgent, sir. Because this woman I want to just come out of my place, you know. So I tell you what I have, sir. I don't have no time for waste. I just want this woman to come out of my place. You see me? Because Bishop Gungo, I tell you, say,
Take off your slippers.
take off my slippers. This woman here, a crosses in my house, sir. Crosses. Hold on for a minute. Alright, sir. Like I said, I have to take down myself. Sorry, sir.
So I want to you now.
Sir, Bishop Bungo, I tell you, sir, there was a woman in my house, sir. She in my place, and I tell her to come out, and she don't want to come out of my place. And I'm me alone. I'm me alone, sir. Sorry, cover your mouth, sir, because the virus thing is going on. As me I say, I'm me alone, sir. You see me? Work and build my house. And now she come tell me, say she have my common law wife, and she want half of my place. You see me? Me no depend that, you know, sir. Me no depend that. Before, so me sharp, me mash it. If this not work, me sharp, me mash it.
How long you try to kill her?
No, sir, me not try to kill her. Me not try to kill her, sir. Because me not like jail. But me just want she come out. If me can't take her out verbally, I want to take her out spiritually. So just, me don't know what you can do for me, sir. Me tired for your goddamn place and you know work out. You see?
I can tell you what to do. I'll come here. I'm there at 7 morning. 7 morning, you hear what I'm saying?
If you come here at 7 morning.
Yeah. And when I'm done, you read Psalm 23.
I must read Psalm 23 when I'm done.
Yeah. Because she said, somebody I work for you.
Somebody I work for.
Yeah. Yes.
So, somebody I work for.
Yeah. Yes, see this egg? I go crack it. And you go open up your hand. And you wipe it for your face. You go take off all. You go take the crosses from you. Here.
Wait, before you cut. Make your crosses stay for me.
Eh? Alright.
Make your crosses stay for me. Just take care for me because she just wants you to come out of my place. So do you do? Just make your crosses stay for me.
Something to say. So make cross stay upon
Yeah,
her.
man, make it cross and stay upon her.
Something just crack your gun, bro.
Cracky and make fear stay, you know it. Just give me for me. Make fear stay.
Fear crosses go gun, but fear no go gun.
Yes, that no one. So take off in the cross. Some just wash my face with this.
Yeah, take off it. Take off it. Let me take off.
Hi, hi, hi. Yeah, man.
Rub up it.
Hi, hi.
Come on, I can't find no way, man. Just try wash up. Yeah. Oh yeah, wait up my clothes now.
Sorry, sir. Sorry, my boss. So you say everything.
Yeah, I cross just come off for you, but it's still in the pan.
So you make it stay upon her, right?
Yeah.
Alright, so how much me have for you now, sir?
Money?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. I would 5,000 for about good.
Alright, so this is £100. Yeah. Respect. Yeah? That's £100.
Yes, sir.
Alright, sir. Woo! Yes, Lord. Don't go on the road, I know. You might look for me.
How?
Sheriff, what is that I'm back?
What kind of question is that, Seabert?
Sheriff. I never saw me left my bag, you know. It's never in my bag, you know.
How are them there in your bag, Seabert?
Sheriff.
Look on it and tell me how.
How be I try over me? Eh?
What you mean?
How be I try over me?
Me I try obey you. Hey, Father God, I never seen nothing like this yet. Yes, man, look. Look, man. Me find it. I tell him my place supposed to make my house burn down. Where I tell me, say, can you have to give me my half, you know? My half of the money, you know?
What you said to me a while ago? Suppose we make your side burn down, your house burn down, eh?
You know what me want to know? For months, you just say you don't have no money, but you find money for go over a woman to work over upon me.
You say me walk over in my place.
So that?
Eh?
What is this? What is that? What them there?
First thing first.
What all of the candle and all of that under the bed I do? Eh? On my side of the
Me
bed.
put the candle them under there for warm me up. Me put the candle them under the bed.
So what I do under my side of the bed? What skull I do under the side, under my side of the bed?
You need to let
It's a dirty junker dog shit. And remember me tell you God not sleep, yeah? You can't do nothing forget me up because anybody that come out, remember me tell you. Remember, yeah? Me a God pick me. And anything you do in here, I go find out. Anything you do in your Seabird. So remember, you know, you start a spiritual war in here. You remember that. And remember the type of mother we me have. Yeah.
Look for me good. And make me tell you this. You have to come out of my place. I mean, I know chatting today, you know. And I feel like see your mama. What you have around there, you know.
Who you call mama? Don't run put me here. Me make you have to come out of this now too. Seabird, don't do it. I bet me call all Johnny and all of them and then come on and come tie you up and beat you. I me know my brother ain't getting no problem, you know. Big waist man, big mama man.
You want to kill me off of them place. You want to start worrying.
Talk about my mother again. When you come in here, you see, you see the worker man come in here, you come in here with the argument and a flash last in my face and we make that pass, but you don't come pass your place with my mother see hurt. You don't do it. Big old country idiot.
You know what? You see him.
And that you know.
You see you? You see you? You see you? Let me tell you this.
What you gonna tell me, say? What you gonna do? Eh? You don't walk and tell people I'm Miss Marge granddaughter stop me out there and tell me how me left dirty drawers under my bed. Eh? Why never tell her say you dirty whore you bring come in here and hide drawers from me under the bed? Eh? Don't ramp with me, no Seabird.
Alright, Sheriff, you win the runner. You win the runner, Sheriff. Yeah? You win. Remember me tell you say you win.
I gonna pray for you, see?
Pray for me.
I gonna
pray for me.
Prayerful.
Pray for me.
Powerful prayer for you. Here?
Me don't know where fear mama get you from, you know. Oh. Cause you know that the woman there, when me hear say, are your woman?
I come alone have mama here. I'm not gonna tell you again. You see if you want peace reign in this, you see if you don't want to lose couple teeth in this, just load that talk there. Yeah? Just load that talk there. How you try? Mr. What you try?
Only way peace reign.
My name is call me breeze.
Only way peace reign. Now this is when you come out of my place. I'm a done chat.
Then peace not gonna reign. Go long, old country idiot. Gonna spend your money and hope your man. Eh? You don't see nothing to do me. Friga.
Oh, my peanut, coconut and jelly twister. Up peanut, coconut and jelly. Up and we sell the seed. Hot thing. Up top. And we sell donut. Fuck right. Up and donut.
Mama, where that? I tie up so long, you know. I can't even see. Oh. So you ready, I know, man.
You like that, Seabird?
Touch my nipple again.
You like that?
Yeah. Woo. Woo. Take your time. Woo. Hey. Boy, I wish me woman in my yard. No, I wish me woman did there in my yard. Would I do them or something? What that, Mama, what that?
Open your mouth.
Woo! Woo! Woo!
Shut that.
Wait, no, Mama. No. Mama, me not laugh. Me not laugh, Mama. What that?
Shut that.
Mama, don't tell me say. No man, tap. I can't tell me say.
Shut that. Adventure you want? Adventure you go. Try something new.
You pass the place now.
Stop.
Me serious now, man. You can't let me the shit plunger. If you use me, you shit. Taxi! Taxi! Yeah, how much you can run a scheme? Alright, come in. Me know for me price already, but how much for him?
Nah, feel good.
Yeah. I just write on a scheme this summer ago, for the apartment.
For the apartment, give me a $5.
5 bills?
Yeah.
Alright, come good.
I see your boat, sir.
I feel me good, man. Me just buy.
I see your boat, sir.
Me just buy, man.
Eh, make sure I see your boat in a road.
I feel me good, man.
All right, sir. Take your time.
Come on, see the apartment right there, son.
Oh, yeah, sir.
Yeah. Yeah, man. Alright. So, respect, yeah?
Come on, respect.
Yeah, man, respect.
Alright.
Come. This is gonna be a new yard. This is gonna be a new yard. Come. 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 Come on, come. 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 Cause if Sheriff I feel like said, she don't come out of this place. This is for me half of the bed. Who said this is for me half? So this is my half of the bed. You see? So you stay upon for me side. You can see this. Here? If don't go nowhere else, just stand right there so. I don't know if there are no pampas they can fit you, but you go turn in. You go just stay there so. You don't catch someone. Here? Don't worry yourself. Everything will go alright.
Yeah, man, girl. Hurry up and start up. Mommy. Mommy, where you there? Mommy. I don't know what happened. I don't know if I should really stop because I'm just coming from a fire road and come see one animal in the warm gold in a house, type in the house, by the bed. Jesus Christ, I'm sorry. Oh, what? Can I wash my face? Jesus Christ. Mommy, I could do. And you want me always see where it walk, mommy, it walk. You could take me to the place and everybody feel blast. Don't be afraid for going the back. We mean go down up and on. After me, I'm gonna go that day. For how my mama kind of thing I can tell you not for me. They don't know him serious. Come find him, can't do it, what I say. I just call for me saying sorry for me saying John for me make it go. I'm afraid to go there. I'm ready to be a cold.
Psalm 91. Shepherd, I shall not want. Get me glad on in green pastures. And lead me beside the still waters. Mommy, I don't know where this man come from. I don't know. But I know say something something because I just go in our house a while ago and I don't know if him did dead when I reach in the room, but I know I go in the bathroom and come out back and I see one. What? Animal in my room when I sleep. I don't know if I the obey or what now, but I know I go. I should have listened to you from them time when you tell me to go.
What kind of obey business you talk about? You see boy, Seabird, me tell us I don't like. My spirit don't take him now. Seabird. Ain't all that make you. Lord have mercy. Me not even know if you say. I don't know how to put this on. What you say? You find one.
One goat.
One goat?
Mm-hmm.
One goat, one C-O-A-T or one G-O-A-T? One
me. He sitting and look me straight in my eye. Me a looking at sitting in the eye, sitting and taking eye off of me.
One me or one C-O. Me don't understand what you said to me, Because Jamaica with it, in England and New York, they have winter time where you wear a coat. You sure so one?
Goat, G-O-A-T, G as in God, O-A-T, goat. One goat in my house.
Hold on, me say good cause. Me don't understand, I know me can't understand this story where you tell me. Me know say people have goat on farm and goat outside, goat inside a house. Me know say people have cat where they have a pet. You know, it's the same thing where they call puss, but they have in the house.
Me I wonder if it's for the Obia work.
Stop chat about Obia. Me don't like hear the word Obia business there. That's it.
But you can't handle them, mommy, where you can't handle them for and they know this.
Let me tell you something. That's why I teach you how to pray. From a long time from your pick me and I tell you, so get up out of your bed. Don't make 6 o'clock, catch you in your bed and get up and pray. You make fear preparation. Your pooperization. Tell your boy, little girl go lie down back when you prepare for time like this. Turn your head to the east and pray. You hear me say? What you say you find? One goat.
One goat, mommy, one goat.
You ever hear a story about Esau and Jacob, what I always tell you? When his mother make him put on a coat, because he didn't have hairy skin. So mine I want skin you see and you feel like a goat. He have 4 foot.
When me say, he say, meh, and he look right in my eye. And it have 2 horns. So I must know goat, me idiot.
But me I wonder where goat are doing in a house. Cause me never know say people have, me know say people, some of my people them have dog in their house, they have pussy in a house, but me never hear nothing about goat in a house yet.
What me gonna do?
What you gonna do? I must say a sacrificial lamb. When time God did tell Abraham to carry his son up on the mountain there for sacrifice, and he catching at the ticket. So here what happened? You see, because that goat they catching at the ticket and he coming in your house, sell the goat. Sell it. Remember, say half of everything in that house they have for you and him, you know. So you go sell the goat and give him half of the money and you take half. And let me tell you, and I don't want to sin because you're going to tell us if you take half and through your collection at church. Yes. And don't give him none. What a boy, wicked, Mr. I wonder if him give birth to that goat. You say name Seabird.
Come, so what are they?
So how me go get the goat for come out? How me go do?
So what happened to your handyman where you did tell me about where you say? And where you say name? The plumber man, where name? Call him and make him come control the goat. And sell the goat. One day the other keep running for me where? Me go find out from the people them if they want no goat for the funeral. And sell the goat and you think you deserve half my money? Think about it. You think you deserve to get half my money? Because you say everything half and half, split in a half and half. So me feel like say you should have give him half of the goat money. Me no know. Or if you want to sell it and take the next half. That boy there, me not understand him. Me say Seabird. Lord.
It's alright, mommy.
Girl, me go tell you for you last time. When last you pray?
Me pray last night.
Pray last night. Get up a morning time before the sun rise and turn your head to the east and talk to God and pray. You hear me say, me don't want you come back here with me with no obi galang in us. So when they kick you, find the kangle, what you do with them?
Me dash them way.
And what you say?
Because I don't know how long them they can leave in under the bed.
I feel like, so me hear, other day me hear some people I walk past me and I talk about one mother woman named Gizada. Mother Gizada. Me say me have some Gizada. I give you them. And you see when time you go home, if you want to hear everything, say to him, say, if he want some, a Mother Gizada. And hear what he say. And if he answer you and he go on no way out of the way, he go out. What me say? Carry my coat. He care more than you and me and your mother. You hear me say? And me is a God-fearing woman. And you see when time I go down on my knee, I'm ready for prayer. He care more than we. So he could have gone Mother Gizada some more. And he could have go from now till the morning. Anything where Madu can't come true. Carry my coat. A goat thing want a goat thing go and get. You hear me say? What me say? And you go carry one raincoat go hang up right which party goat did they? You hear me say, girl? Stop going like you're idiot. And me and your mother and me grow you. Me say get up and turn up on your 2 foot and trample him. You see when he come in, little more? But get rid of the goat first, sell the goat. You just start to stamp. You just run up and down and a stamp and holler for meh, meh. You see from the entire door, you start ball like a goat. You laugh, you still think me no joke. But people like them, they so you beat him at his own game. See, if a game him a play with you, game him get. I pay a trick and trade in a business now, you know. Everybody a trickster. You never know.
I know I'm going to do.
Beat him at his own game. I can't give you no more advice because you last time you tell me about no how you a bill man. You a bill man. You. To me daughter tell me say she a bill man. So me don't know what kind of man me could have send you go to college. Me spend all of my money for you and send you go to school. If you build up for yourself, you tell me about your bill man. And from me know myself and me I travel around the place with you. Me never care go to China because China alone me know bill everything. Don't let them bill everything. You understand? So me don't know. Man, I don't a China that go they come from, you know.
Mommy, I gotta head back now.
You try.
I'm gonna do everything what you tell me to do. Don't worry.
Sell the goat. Make sure say you sell the goat. And call me. And make sure you sell the goat. And as you enter, remember, me tell you what you have to do, you know, as you enter into the house, that trample your foot and holler and bawl like a goat.
Alright.
Yes. And put, hang up, make, me not tell you nothing more. You still have your look for that trait in you. You understand? You go on like you don't have no sense sometimes and go on like you're weaky. I don't know if only when you come around me, you act like you're a saint. Because sometimes I can't even bother with you. You understand? And that's how me grow you. Me grow you to be a warrior, a prayer warrior. So you see any which part them a come from with their angle and about them obia this. No come back here, can't tell me no about no obia galang in my ears. Because you see when time when you come here other day and me tell you say me dream when me dream you there pick up for man but yeah him travel and vacate all over the island and all about you. Me teach you all for your laugh. Me not laugh. Kind of funny because you grieve me spirit right now. You want the one see birth. Me say, my spirit not take him, Papa Jesus. My spirit don't take him, man. My spirit don't take him. Father God, forgive me. But me don't know what kind of spirit he have. But for him spirit, we have no good. His spirit no good, none at all. That's why for me and him spirit can't mesh. He care. A home goat. Goat in a house. Me never hear them here sitting here from my barn. Goat in a house. Me know so they have pet dog and cat in a house. But first me I hear about goat in a house.
You see you, boy? You see you? You laugh? You win that round, you win. Yeah? You win that one. You can't imagine. Goat in my place. Eat you. Me eat you. Seabird, you see you? You're the worstest thing on God's planet. The worst thing you could have happened to me. But where you get goat from, Seabird? Seabird, how be that? You really come in here and walk come in here, you care goat come in here? Let me tell you this. You're not going to top try get rid of me out here. Come in now. Go away. Anyway, me I bring my off. That me I make you know. So anything where you try in this, you better come good. Hear that? Come good.
Wait. How this a goat I come from? You know this a goat I know.
Where you come from?
Of course. Daddy Paul put up this a goat up how much money, you know. Daddy Paul goat this I'm certain.
Daddy Paul?
Yes, and give me a clue how in there. A Daddy Paul goat.
A Daddy Paul goat the Janko Dago thief?
Right, just a goat I put up right now how much money. And that the man they have been licensed God there, you know. Right now you can. I tell you, even no problem.
Hold on there. You tell me, say, Seabird really got take a risk and thief Daddy Paul goat. And bring come in here. A two bird kill with one stone, that, you know. That a 2 bird we are killing 1 stone. We now sell it. You going to do? We're going to call Daddy Paul. The whole way I go to the station. We're going to bring back a goat and talk. How we bring a goat come up here?
A big problem this, what is? Alanda is
Uncomfortable at your house.
yeah, be comfortable. But Daddy Paul not comfortable.
Where Daddy Paul there?
I tell George, right now, big old
Come on time, make Karen go back. Karen go down say go call Daddy Paul right now.
You have to go pull it.
Who for go pull it?
Then I'm not gonna know about it.
So how make me call it for?
Right, him up. Pull him. You try come.
Which
Get up.
Which
You try come on. Get out.
Make I get my phone.
Never make me boss. It be just up there at the wrong place at the wrong time. I never make me boss. Please me, I beg you. I tell me boss, please me, I beg you, officer. I never me.
Shut a blood clot, man. How do you feel like you feel?
But you know, boss, I never me, man. They tell us you never me.
Even if you have blood clot, if you think you're going to tell nobody, you're not going to tell nobody. Somebody out there fucking woman saying same.
People are wicked now because I tell you, now through the woman that like me now, man that like me. A long time now, man that like me, boss. I tell you, a long time she like me. No, me, a cheap hit me have, my boss. Cheap hit me have. I mean, I tell you, I just the wrong place to like me the day.
Hey, tell the judge, not tell me that I'm blood killer. Don't tell me. Go tell the judge.
Yes, my mother. Yeah, the dirty man gone. I get rid of him. Him no know say a praying mother me have. Come in here, come talk about mama. I come talk about mama. You know see my that? Yes, my love. 2 weeks now and gone. Dirty dog. And then send people up here, come tell mom if you come. Send in credit. You don't know what me glad say gone. And sending clothes. I just pack some puppy in and send go game. I don't care. I care zero. I just like to get the place. I want to mind and get the maximum set. Mommy, hey, nobody not got me say the man take a set for me, yeah. I know me free like a bird. I can do anything I please. Hold on a moment, I can call you back. Who this is?
Boy, Hubert, you don't even believe how I go on. When I go buy one goat from somebody, man, and the man sell me teeth in goat. So somebody, me don't know who, but call police for me. A 2 week me down there, you don't notice? You don't notice, you don't see me?
I say from when me all call on your phone, I mean I get to see me, I wonder what happened to you. But honestly, you have to be careful when you buy things from people. You understand what I say? Because I know most your TV, you know, but I can the person who you buy from TV and sell you. So you have to really be careful. But be glad to see you come out still. How you come out?
I realize that I'm innocent and they let me out. After they have me down.
But you should make one call, because once you get locked up, you're liable for your call. You should call me. At least we don't come pay for it and make you come out.
Brother, I never remember no number, brother. God no. But me don't there. And me think say I go make things right with Sheriff and
So you tell me say,
no, you don't want to hear that still.
so you tell me say 1, 2 little weeks you spend at jail soften you up.
You don't even understand, you know, man. When me done this so, and me see this bag of man and this small room, me prefer the in my outside of my room and I don't even know we not live good. And I know say sometimes I'm my fault make argument in my place. And that's because she not give me no sex. That's one of the reasons make the place toxic too.
Well, as a bigger brother, you got to do what you got to do. If you feel like making it up with Sheriff is the best thing, well, do that.
But where Javi then?
Javi! In our house. Javi!
Yeah.
Come here then. See uncle come look for you.
Oh. Oh God, Uncle Seabird, you good? Oh God. I'm to you now. You didn't pass through. I said I'm going to I'm not stand too long because... Oh, but one, you know the doctor drop them because... I go around and go see if I can get like something from a Sheriff.
Yeah man, me have 2 could give man.
Yeah man, hurry up man, because I not stand too long, you know. Boy say everything alright, sir? And you go.
Javi, looking at your car, you see it.
Tell him to out the dog.
Sheriff, I'm glad to see me, girl.
How are this no father God? So 2 weeks of jail make you come make 2 weeks of jail make you not get no front, make you come calm. You come in about Sheriff. The 2 weeks of jail make you come in calm. Can you not get no front?
Sheriff, come on now. Watch it now. Sheriff, that the 2 weeks, make me reflect on things and to say, yo, we never, all of that never call for. You see me? And all of this could have, you never have to reach us. So. Just because you never did give me no loving. And you know, say, that's my love language. You see me? You never give me no loving. But, I not tell you like, I miss you, girl. I not tell you like, I miss you. I tell you, say, Sheriff.
See, but you know, say, this you always do all the time.
Sheriff.
You ever they go on with some things and then you put me through the worst and then it's like you come and you apologize and you want to move on like nothing never happened. It happened. I don't know if you really mean it this time. I don't know. Yeah.
Sheriff, I mean it, man. I know, say, you play too much, you know? Because I know say all a good part there, you know. How you did feel? You did
It
frightened, no?
frightened me. Yeah, long.
But me not telling you, Sheriff. Me just... Me a man, you know. I work hard. I just feel like sometimes I come home and to give me no loving and this and that. Them make me stress out. You see me? I'm fit have all of this and me can't enjoy myself. Eh? Man, I go look for me like a idiot, like say me can't manage a machine.
I understand you see about thing okay. But kinda make it hard for me love it sometimes because you just come in when you're stressed and you just take out the stress from me like I'm stress you out.
Sometimes I stress me out still, Sheriff, but I'm not telling lie. You see me? But let bygones be bygones. Just a come from jail. I'm tired.
I don't believe say you mean it.
And I believe some mean it.
No, I do it again. And I break my heart again.
Just promise him say you go big. Good this time, Sheriff. Because jail, me look on everything what me do wrong and me come to you now as a big man and I apologize for everything what me did do. I just want you to know say deep down between all our foolishness and I love you.
You take it Dr. Jack again though.
But just didn't see but I'm ready for you, Sheriff. Sheriff, I'm gonna tell you something. I think about it all the time.